Mom, Dad, I got an A on my test today.
Oh, really? Let me see. Excellent, Lily.
Congratulations! You did really well. This is good. But I think you can do even better.
Better? Yes, you are very close to A+. If you try a little more, you can reach it. Why don't you review your lesson again? I believe you can do better next time.
But I really tried. Anna, my sweet daughter, I have a special gift for you. Let's go to the mall and get it. Really? Can Lily come with us? No, Lily needs to study. She should stay home and improve.
You can come when your grades are better.
Okay. They are happy with Anna. But when I come, they only talk about studying. They only talk about grades. Maybe I am not good enough. If I study more, maybe they will notice me. Maybe they will be proud of me.
I'm so happy. This is my favorite place. Oh, this one is really pretty. I'm sure Anna will love it. Anna, look at this dress. It's very beautiful. Do you want to try it? Wow, I really like it.
Then we will buy it for you. You look very happy when you see it. That is enough for me.
Anna, look over there. There are many beautiful shoes.
Oh, they're really nice. I think they would look perfect on Lily. Can I take it, Dad?
All right, take them. You deserve something nice.
This is for Lily. I hope she will smile. I hope she will feel happy, even a little. Let's go home. It's done. I worked really hard.
The house is messy. Maybe I can help. Mom and Dad will be really happy.
I clean every corner. I don't want to miss anything. I wash every plate. I don't want to make any mistakes. I want everything to be perfect. I feel a little tired. My body feels weak. But it's okay.
Oh, the house looks so clean.
Everything is perfect.
Lily, where are you?
I'm here.
Did you clean all of this?
Yes, I cleaned everything. I finished my homework. I tried to do everything well. It looks good. This is what you should do every day. Are you happy with me now?
Yes, but remember, you still need A+. Next time, do better.
Okay, I will try harder. Lily, this is for you.
For me?
Really?
Yes. I chose it for you. It's so beautiful. I really like it. No one has given me something like this before.
Thank you. I'm really happy.
Lily, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Why do you try so hard all the time? Why don't you rest? I want Mom and Dad to be proud of me. I want them to smile at me. Why do you try so hard all the time? Why don't you rest? I want Mom and Dad to be proud of me. I want them to smile at me.
But you are already good enough. Maybe not yet, but I will be. Anna, you should go to sleep. I have to go study now.
I will study more. I will not stop. I will keep going. I must get A+. I must make them happy. If I do better, they will love me more.
She studies every night? She doesn't take a break.
That means she is serious. That is a good thing.
But she looks very tired. She doesn't smile anymore.
She will understand later. This is for her future.
I did it! I got A+. I finally reached it.
They will be happy now. They will finally be proud of... My head feels heavy.
Lily.
Please wake up. I don't care about grades anymore. I just want you to be okay.
This is our fault. We pushed her too hard. We didn't listen to her.
Do you really love Lily?
Yes, we love her.
Then why did you hurt her? Do you love her or do you love her grades?
I didn't understand. I didn't see her pain.
I thought this was love.
This is not love. This is pressure. This is fear. She was afraid of disappointing you.
Yes, I'm here. Lily, listen to me. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need A+.
You don't need to prove anything. Just the way you are.
Really?
We are sorry. We love you, not your grades.
I just wanted you to be proud of me.
We are already proud of you.
This feels different. It feels warm. It feels peaceful. Lily, come here. Today, we cook together.
No studying today. It is about us as a family.
Come here, Lily. We play together. I feel happy. I feel safe here. I don't feel scared anymore.
Anna, Lily, come here quickly.
Oh, we have a surprise for you.
Coming, Mom. We're coming. Wait for us.
Lily, this is for you.
For me.
Yes, for you. Not because of your grades, just because you are our daughter.
I don't know what to say. I never thought I could receive something like this. Open it, Lily. It's beautiful. I really love it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I feel loved. I really feel loved now.